Most people dream, but some people decide to wake up and chase the dream by force. This is the story of Noman, a young man who was not born special, but made himself unstoppable through self-force, discipline, and belief. Noman lived in a small town. Life was simple, too simple. He had food, shelter, family, and a normal routine. But inside him burned a hunger that no one could see. Every night he looked at the sky and whispered, "I will rise, I will make it, I will change everything." But every morning, his motivation faded like mist. The alarm rang, he ignored it. The goals waited, he delayed them. The world moved, he stayed still. His dreams were brave at night, but weak in daylight. Until one day, Noman sat in a park scrolling through his phone, watching others win, watching others grow, watching others live the life he wanted. Suddenly, his heart shook. Everyone is becoming something, while I am becoming nothing. Not jealousy, not anger. It was regret. Regret is the moment when the soul screams louder than motivation. He stood up and said, "Enough. From today, I don't follow motivation. Motivation will follow me." That day, Noman didn't just make a goal, he made a rule. He wrote 4 lines on his wall. Do it even if you don't want to. Start before you feel ready. Kill excuses before they kill your goals. Choose discipline pain over regret pain. He repeated them daily because motivation speaks softly, rules shout loudly. His biggest enemy was not failure. His biggest enemy was comfort, mood, laziness, doubt, himself. He realized, I don't need to beat 100 people. I need to beat one person 100 times. Me. First goal, build his body. He joined a gym, not because he felt excited, but because he promised, once I start, I don't stop. First week was hell. Muscles burned, energy drained, mind begged to quit. But Noman dragged himself inside every day. He told the mirror, I don't care about feelings anymore. I care about results. Discipline was his new identity. 30 days later, his body began to change. But more important, his mindset changed first. He stopped saying, I want to succeed. He began saying, I am someone who forces success. Because success is not a goal. Success is an identity. Second goal, build his skills and career. He didn't know where to start, so he started everywhere. Digital marketing, video editing, storytelling, public speaking, content creation, English communication, just like your channel. No clarity, no roadmap, no guarantee. But he knew one truth. Clarity comes after action, not before. He began doing small daily torture. He created a system. Do one thing every day my brain hates. Some days it was 5 extra reps, cold shower, 4 hours study, 1 video upload, early wake up after late sleep, saying no to distractions. Because greatness is built in moments you force yourself. His first YouTube video. He uploaded his first motivational video. Views, 35. Mostly cousins. Second video, 21 views. Third video, 14 views. People said, "Stop, bro, no one cares." Noman smiled and replied, "Today they don't, one day they will." Because he wasn't chasing views, he was chasing mastery. The rule of 100 attempts. He made another promise. I will upload 100 videos even if all fail. Because winners stop when done. Losers stop when tired. Third goal, control his mind. He started meditation. At first, his mind was loud, restless, noisy, but he sat anyway. 5 minutes to 10 to 20 to 30. Because stillness is not silence. Stillness is strength. Fourth goal, build confidence. His confidence was not born, it was built. Built from gym pain, repetition, learning, failure, showing up every day. Confidence is not given by the world. Confidence is taken from struggle. 13 to 60 days later. No big results yet, but Noman was no longer the same person. He became someone who works without mood, moves without motivation, learns without applause, walks without validation, rises after failure, shows up even when tired. Because now, discipline became natural. Forced discipline becomes natural behavior over time. The breakthrough. Day 68 to 5,000 views. Day 75 to 40,000 views. Day 82 to 120,000 views. Not luck, not magic. It was the reward for not quitting when nothing happened. The world began to listen. People began sharing his words, not because he was perfect, but because he was relentless. Relentless beats talented. Consistency beats motivation. Force beats hesitation. His family noticed first. When success began showing, his family believed in him first. They saw that Noman was not just chasing a goal, he was becoming a man who could not be stopped. The real lesson. This story teaches 5 truths. Motivation is temporary. Discipline is permanent. Start before you feel ready. Force yourself until it becomes natural. Failure is proof that you tried. Regret is proof that you didn't. Your future self is watching your daily actions. Final motivational speech section. Narration ready. Noman says to the audience, "You think success comes from inspiration. No, success comes from self-force. You think winners don't feel pain. They do. They just don't stop. You think you need confidence first. You need courage first. You think you have time. You have less than you think." The difference between dreamers and achievers is simple. Achievers force themselves. Dreamers negotiate with themselves. Powerful lines you can use in your video outro. If your goal doesn't scare you, it's too small. If you don't force yourself, life will force you harder. Do it scared, do it tired, do it unsure, but do it. Force yourself today, celebrate yourself tomorrow. The world rewards action, not emotion. Final 60-second punch for YouTube. Don't wait for motivation. Don't wait for confidence. Don't wait for perfect time. Just force yourself. Earn it. Claim it. Become unstoppable. Because the goal is not the target. The goal is the person you become while chasing it.